back to Instant Pot with Poonam. This is my favorite time of year because we get to have comfort food. And one of my favorite things is soup. And a lot of people have asked us to post videos with soup recipes. So we wanted to share one of our favorites, which is vegetarian tortilla soup. And it's kind of a good one because it's a dump and go. It's really quick. It's nutritious. You can kind of figure out what lentils you want, what beans you want, what veggies you want. So totally up to you. But we wanted to show it to you because it is really great. We had posted a few times on IG stories about tortilla soup and everyone wanted to know about it. So we thought we'd share it and let's get to it. So the things that you'll need are the vegetable broth. You'll need some salsa verde. And I have mild, you can get medium depending on how much spice you can eat. A can of corn, a can of black beans, a can of pinto beans, fire roasted tomatoes, diced tomatoes, chopped bell peppers, onions, some tomato paste, garlic, ground cumin. We have some chili powder here. So this is for your soup. For later on, for toppings, we have cilantro, we have jalapeno pepper, fresh avocado, green onions, cheese, and then we have tortilla chips to crush and eat on top, which is my favorite part. But remember, here we have everything kind of shown in the bowls, but remember on our website, you can always get the recipes with the exact ingredients and the exact amounts and steps. So make sure you visit the website so you can kind of see all that and then follow along with the video so that you can help make it at home and do the same thing we're gonna do. So it's truly a dump and go. It's so fast, it's so easy. You're gonna take your vegetable broth and just put it all into the Instant Pot. This is a great kind of meal to have. You can put some in jars and freeze it so you can take it for lunch, or you can kind of pull it out in the middle of the week. Sometimes I do that for meal prep. And it makes it really easier throughout the week to kind of just have it ready. So you kind of just dump all the beans in. Tomatoes. Oh, it just splashed in my face. Onions. The green peppers, chili powder, garlic cumin, and then the tomato paste. All right. And then just give that a really good stir. You can kind of add salt. Sometimes I add salt later on, dependent on the flavor, because the salsa has salt, broth has salt. So it's kind of up to you if you'd like more salt. I don't add more because the cheese and chips also have salt in them. So it's just up to you on that part. So stir it up real good. Make sure the tomato paste gets into the actual mix. And we are good to go to close it up. Close your vent. And then you're gonna go to manual mode. And you're gonna go to 15. And then we'll get back to it, put some toppings on it, and really enjoy our tortilla soup. Okay, everyone, so the timer went off. We released the steam, and I have not turned it off yet, so turn it off. You're gonna open it up. It's very hot, so just be careful. But it smells really yummy. And it's already thickened up a little bit since we started because of that tomato paste that we added in. So you're just gonna give it a really good stir. You're gonna dump a lot of it into your bowl. This is my favorite part. And then you can kind of pick and choose. And so what I usually do is like I have a little toppings bar so the kids can like figure out what they want. And so we'll just put a little bit of cheese on it, some cilantro, not too much. And then I take the chips and I just crush it into it. And then I throw in some avocados. And you can put as much as you want, toppings wise. Some people like green onions, so you can put that. I'm not a spicy girl. I don't like spicy food, so I do have jalapenos on the side. For those who can't eat it, you can top it with that. And then you can enjoy a soup for the winter, fall comfort food while you're watching great Christmas movies. I also take the extra that I have and I don't finish for dinner or for lunch, and I'll put it in jars and freeze it. It's really easy, so that way you can meal prep on Sundays. And then also for lunch at work, if you need something, it's a really good nutritious thing to take. And then you can take your toppings on the side. I hope you try it. A lot of people ask for it. So for those who ask for it, try it out. Let us know how you like it. And we're gonna go enjoy some soup.